Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is unbox my new DJI Mini 2 bundle that I purchased from Costco. They're $559 plus tax. So let's see what's inside. So what makes this the Costco bundle is it comes with an extra battery and your DJI case, which is really nice. So what we have is our controller, our drone, our battery, a set of spare propellers, an extra spare set of your control sticks, your charging cable, which is a USB into Type-C, and then our cables that go from your controller to your phone, as well as your user manual. So what we're going to do next is we're going to charge the battery. So to charge the battery for the drone, you install the battery, and then it's a Type-C charging cable. So we're going to charge this. That's a spot for a micro SD card, which I have. And then we're also going to charge the controller again, which is a Type-C. So we're going to charge up everything, and then we're going to give her a try. So I've had the drone charging for about an hour. As you can see, there's 4 solid lights on, so it's fully charged. And we've got the controller charged. On the bottom of your controller, you're going to want to pop out your thumbsticks, and you're going to screw them right into there. And you pull this part out. This would actually hold your phone. You're going to take your cable. You're going to plug one end in here, and this part here is going to go into your phone. So you want it going into the right side of your phone. So your plug-in is going to be right here. So next we're going to unfold our drone. So you're going to fold these out. And then these flip around. So it's going to look like that. And you're going to want to install your phone into your controller. I did notice with my phone case, I couldn't plug it in. So I used just another cord I had kicking around the house. So before you can actually connect your phone to your drone and your controller, what you want to do is go to the Apple App Store and download the DJI Fly App. If you're using Android, you want to scan this code right there on the side of your box. And then you also have to install an APK installer app through the App Store. So what's going to happen is you're going to download the file from here, and then you're going to open up the APK installer app and install the app through the installer app. That's the only way I was able to get it to work. I found that there are issues with the DJI Fly app with Android, so that's how I came about to get it to work on mine. Alright, so you can actually go through and install your phone and connect it to your DJI as well as your drone. I'm not going to go through these steps. It's pretty straightforward. It will walk you step by step to get everything configured. So what we're going to do is actually fly it for the first time today. As you can see, the drone's on. You can see the gimbal working. There's the controller. So let's give her a try. All right, to get your blades going on your drone, you're going to want to pull your sticks down like this.
Take off.
Now I will say that if you have high grass, the blades will hit the grass and it won't spin the blades.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Landing.
And that was just a quick flight. I'm new to drones, and this is very, very easy to use. So what I did is a screen capture on my phone so you can see what I'm doing on the phone. And then I'll link it to the actual video that it recorded with the drone, and we're going to get everything downloaded and uploaded. So the reason I purchased this is going to become part of my YouTube arsenal in capturing some video. And this is actually being videoed right now with my new GoPro Hero 10. So I hope you like this video. If you have any tips or suggestions, make sure you post them below. And I'll be doing some drone footages with this in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.